Welcome to Lesson 2, where we'll now look at dividing polynomials by a constant. And we'll start by dividing by a constant using algebra tiles. So we will model the polynomial and then divide the polynomial into equal groups. And the number of groups will depend on the constant value that you're dividing by. Now if the constant value is a negative number, we will then flip the tiles. And whatever tiles are in each group, that is the quotient. Example 1, we have to simplify 2m minus 4 divided by 2. So we'll start by modeling 2m minus 4. So I have to break this into two equal groups since I'm dividing by 2. So I would put one m tile in each group. And I would put two negatives in each group. So the tiles that are in each group here is the quotient, which works out to be an m minus 2. Here, I need to take negative 6n squareds minus 3n plus 9s and break them into three equal groups to start. Then after, because it's a negative 3, I will then flip the tiles. So let me separate this area into three equal groups. So I have 6 negative n squareds. So I'm going to put negative n squared here, negative n squared here, negative n squared here, to equally distribute them. So that's only 3. I need to put another negative n squared in each one. So there's my 6n squareds divided into three groups. Now I have 3 negative n's. So I'm going to put one negative n here, one negative n here, and one negative n here. So that takes care of my 3 negative n's. Now I have plus 9. So I put a plus 1 here, and here, and here. That's only 3 tiles. Put another one in each group. That's 6. So I'll add one more to each group. So that takes care of the 9 positives. So if I was dividing by a positive 3, the tiles here would be the answer, but since it's a negative 3, we now need to flip the tiles. So that means our quotient is actually going to be a positive 2n squared, a positive n, and negative 3. So I'll write that as 2n squared plus n minus 3.